You're among the first in the direct marketing industry to be exposed to a system designed to increase team building and product sales. 3 technologies that will be demonstrated on this webinar have been successfully case studied in a variety of network marketing companies. The first technology is the automation of posting ads to social media and other high-traffic sites. Our system provides you with a turnkey push-button solution for this. It's easy to use and works well with both warm market and cold market. To streamline the process even more, our design team creates ready-made ads that quickly and easily post to these social media and high-traffic sites for you. As a subscriber, you gain access to a growing library of these proven ads that are designed to build audiences. When you exhaust your warm market, lead generation is going to become even more important to the survival of your business. And it poses a challenge because most people are not well versed in sales. This is why we empower you with a system designed to lead prospects to you. The ads our team creates features telecom technology that's been proven to increase prospect response by as much as 30%. When you register for our system, you're assigned an 800 number with a unique extension featuring a recorded audio ad along with your own text for info code. Your number is then featured on dozens of pre-made ads that you can market with a push of a button. Now I'm going to demonstrate the power of this technology. Let's start with how the 800 number, the extension, and the text for info code work. Here's one of the many ads that our system generates. Notice the 24-hour recorded info line? We put this in every ad, and here's why. People avoid sales confrontation at all cost, but they'll call a recorded information line. Our case studies prove this. Think about it. A person who calls your 800 number had to put some effort into inquiring about what you have. In this age of texting, do people really call these 800 numbers? Yes. I have hundreds of reports like this, and as you can see, people call at all hours of the day and night. Leads you generate with this system are direct response and exclusive to you. Our technology works for you 24/7, and here's how. When a prospect responds to your ad, our system instantly captures their number, and even if they're calling from a blocked or an unlisted number, within 5 minutes, our system alerts you by email or text, notifying you with the prospect's number. This is powerful because we all know the best time to connect with the prospect is at the time they call or text. It gets even better. Every call originating from a cell phone receives an automatic text reply on your behalf from our system and leads your prospect to your website or video. People are using this technology every day for both warm and cold market because it works. Once your call capture number is assigned to you, you can request optional boost campaigns. Tell us where you want to grow your business and when you want to start. For example, let's say your company's convention's in Vegas in 6 months. We'll target that area with your number and you'll get texts and calls from people in that market who are exclusive to you. The core system I'm describing is only $49 a month and qualifies you to connect with the technology I'm about to reveal in the final phase of this webinar. MLM leaders industry-wide are adapting this to their organizations because it's growing in popularity because we've created the first team-oriented approach for dominating search engines for MLM company products and related keywords. Let's start by talking about SEO, search engine optimization. We've all heard the scary stories. It's a practice that most people know nothing about, but I've seen it work in MLM. In fact, I know a guy who managed to attain first page positioning on Google for his MLM company's keywords. He's not a true networker, but he was very smart in how he leveraged this positioning. He routes the search leads to his team, they do the work, and he cashes a check every month. Now, I started in MLM over 23 years ago, long before the internet was mainstream. I know what it's like to build a team one person at a time, and I was successful at it. But in 2001, I shifted my focus to internet marketing. By 2003, I had built a list of over 100,000 people, and I had experienced the rapid growth that everybody talks about. However, 9 months ago, one of the people on my list introduced me to a guy who's considered among the top SEO experts in the world. Back in '97, he was pursued by MLM leaders because he was generating millions of dollars in online sales in the '90s. He did this with SEO, and this is before SEO was a word. He and his team of programmers have created a first-of-its-kind search engine marketing system. This platform automates the publishing of video and other web content across thousands of networks with a click of a few buttons. It's cloud-based and not complicated to use. Case studies he's conducted clearly demonstrate his platform's ability to capitalize on search traffic for keywords related to products in several network marketing companies. We've analyzed several MLM companies' positions on search engines and made the decision to work with some leaders in this company and a few others who are on this webinar. We'll be working with a limited number of people in each company and establish a foundation for a long-term, team-oriented search engine marketing strategy with the end goal of dominating top positions on Google and other search engines for this company and other companies' search terms. As each company's names grow in popularity, we'll be in position to capitalize on this. I'm now going to show you the first case study we did for a major billion-dollar network marketing company's search terms. In this demo, you're going to see that our strategy worked in less than 5 days for a major company. So we know it'll work for any MLM company and just about any type of business that can benefit from better Google rankings. Take a look at this quick demo.
I'm just going to go through a few results. So this is Jeunesse Global, Instantly Ageless. And we got number 1. That's good, but who's going to type in all that stuff? Well, but you got a point there. So let's take off Jeunesse Global and let's see if it's still there. And it is. It's still number 1 for Instantly Ageless Winter Garden, Florida. Not bad. We're still in the top 3. People to see this video, they're going to skip over these and they're going to click this video. So whoever's got this ranking is going to be getting that traffic. And then if you look, I've got Winter Haven. So what I did was in this campaign, I picked the city of Orlando, Florida, and I did like a 50-mile radius. The next city is Winter Park, and you'll see in Winter Park, we've got 2. Those are both from my campaign. So I got number 1 and number 2. Tavares, Florida, we got number 1. Sanford, Florida, we've got number 4. Orlando, for 1. Port Orange, Florida, we got number 1 and number 2. This is the best one I wanted to show you. Okay, so Altamont Springs is a city right outside of Orlando. We're number 1. But here's someone else, and they're number 2, even though they were published 6 months before or so. And then this one was published 6 months before. Okay, if you look at the dates, that was published February 19th, 2016. Mine was published August 14th, 2016, and we're outranking.
Now, those results are there for the world to see, but the true test of this platform comes from people with no experience in this type of marketing. Since the release of this platform to the public, it's been common for people to get results within 24 hours or less, doing it themselves by using the easy-to-use web platform that we provide you with. Here's a real-life prime example of this. This is a guy in New Hampshire who registered for our system. Within 24 hours, he called me and showed me his results firsthand. As you watch this video, I want you to imagine your product or your service, your opportunity or your video ranking top in different markets throughout the country, wherever you want to target your business. Think about that as you watch this video. Check this out.
How's it going?
Pretty good. It was actually fairly easy to publish. The first one took me probably 20 to 30 minutes figuring out some key search words that I wanted to use. And the second one I did was less than 10 minutes. So everything published overnight. The Massachusetts area. Let's try West Roxbury.
Oh, there we go. And to be the only video I see on the screen.
Yep.
Pretty interesting.
I actually checked a few in New Hampshire last night. Let's just do Alton, New Hampshire. Look at that.
2 top positions in one night. If you were to do these individually, I mean, it would have taken you all night.
It would have taken me months to learn how to do it.
There you go. You're number 1 right here in North Cambridge. That's really awesome. Look to the right. You've got this person right here paying for this advertisement. Yet you're right under Boston Bowen Center of Pain Relief, and they're paying, obviously, for that positioning.
You know what's even more cool about this? I pulled up a few last night. I got so excited I had to keep searching. When you pop up number 1 and then you have a major chiropractic center below you that you bumped out of the number 1 spot, when those guys log on and look, or somebody's going to tell them, hey, what is this all about above you? You stand a pretty good chance of getting one of those guys to look at what you're doing.
You just brought up a great point. By getting the positioning, then you can reach out to that clinic and say, hey, we're next door neighbors. Knock on their virtual door, and it's a great validator and credibility builder for what you've got.
When I started seeing that, I just said, whoa. This is incredible, because they're going to have to see you sooner or later.
You're going to get addicted to this, I'm telling you.
Hey, there you go. There's another one.
This is awesome. I love to see this. Please share with the folks your level of knowledge in search engine optimization prior to this program?
0.
That's it.
Somebody can sign up in this and they can literally spend 30 minutes. Boom, you're out there. How else are you going to get to the top of Google?
I mean, it's like you came out of nowhere. I bet these people woke up today and they said, who is this video on that page?
Yeah.
You're just going in and getting all the internet real estate. That's what you're doing.
Oh, here's East Boston.
There you go. See the video right there.
Oh, yeah, for some reason didn't post the thumb link.
Interesting.
Maybe I've been missing a few because I've just been looking for the video.
Yeah. Sometimes things like that take time to propagate.
Oh, look, can you see this? We got 2 posts in Boston.
I see that. I think it's amazing that just right from the beginning that there's something showing anywhere. I've used different types of programs and they're so challenging to use. You have to use proxies and all these different cat and mouse type things. In one night, showing results already.
Barrie, Vermont, about as big as we get around here.
Bingo.
Number 1.
That's phenomenal. You're doing something that is both short-term and long-term. In many cases, if you're the first there, you're not going to lose it. There are people for years have tried to learn how to do this on their own. They've bought all types of software. They've had all kinds of quote unquote gurus, all these trips to go learn this stuff. And here you just strolled in at $149. You got the best of every world. Scott, thank you very much.
Take care.
So there you have it, results. Results from the superstar who knows how to do this, and results from the average person who doesn't know anything about SEO. You don't have to be a tech genius. This individual got started with the system. In less than 24 hours, he's seeing results, and so can you. People who are registering are surprised at the simplicity of this. I mean, if you can use a mouse to copy and paste, you can do this. The Adplotter and MegaRate platform have teamed up and provide you with both systems for $149 per month. Refer 4 people to Adplotter and we waive $49 of it, bringing your cost down to $99 a month for a tool that traditional businesses out there are hiring companies to do this for them, anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 per month. This tool was built and designed for the network marketing industry because we know that people within this industry don't have the funds to pay the high dollar prices for search engine optimization. So for less than $150, you now have the best of both worlds and an opportunity to capitalize on searches and help your team grow their business. Get with the person who invited you here and get registered. You'll get your 800 number, your extension, your text for info code, all that information assigned to you within a few hours of registering. This system is constantly improving, so every time there's an update, we're going to make it available to you first. We look forward to your success with our system. Take care.